Hey everyone, myself Monisha Acharya and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm here to talk to you about why did private bank fail in India. Basically, private bank failure in India. As we all know, every citizen in this country want to keep their money at safe place are concerned about the same. And for the same, banks come into the frame, whose role is to keep the money safe of these citizens. They take deposit from the customer and also give loan to them when needed. Before 1969, all the banks in India were private, which means government have no control over them. And at that time, more than 700 banks failed or got liquidated. So to bring the stability in financial sector and to fulfill the development need of the country India, the government of country in 1969 did nationalization of banks, after which 14 biggest bank of the country came under the government control. After this also, we still hear that few private or commercial bank don't have money to give to their depositors, so this is known as bank failure. This is very big thing for the citizen of the country as well as for the government. So we will talk about the first bank failure, that is was PMC Bank, Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. This bank gave more than 2500 crore loan to the real estate company, which is known as or which was called as Housing and Development Infrastructure Limited Group entities. To give such a big amount, bank used the 70% of the loan amount of the bank depositors only. For doing this fraud, more than 21,000 fake bank accounts were created with different fake names to show that they have given loan to different parties. So how this fraud came out? So when few women employ no or you can say when few women employees came to know about this fraud, they informed to RBI about the same. When few depositors came to know about it, they started the panic withdrawals. Situation in different branches of bank was very worst. At the end, bank director Varyam Singh had to accept about the fraud, after which SDI promoters Rakesh and Sarang Vadva got arrested and bank director got arrested in the case of cheating. So many depositors had life saving in that bank and many people attempted suicide too, as they could not take out their money back due to the government restriction. So what is NPA? Non-performing asset. It is the work of the bank to give loan, but if any customer could not repay that loan within 3 months, then he is declared as NPA. It is said that the less is the NPA of bank, better the bank is. Many times bank NPA is high, but they are showing it as less. Loans to companies. Why they are showing this? So loans to the companies like Anil Ambani Group were major reasons for high NPA, which means that Yes Bank was in very poor condition as they have high NPA. So basically now we will talk about Yes Bank failure. Yes. So what had happened to the Yes Bank? When RBI got to know about it, the CEO of Yes Bank, Rana Kapoor, got replaced. But still, as NPA was high, it did not got any help funding from outside. So RBI had to take over the Yes Bank and they made the rescue plan in which SBI, ICICI Bank, SDFC Bank invested in it. But the biggest stake was taken by SBI Bank by investing 7,000 crore and helped to survive the Yes Bank. So basically in Yes Bank failure, they gave loan to the biggest companies, industrialists who were not able to pay that loan back, and their NPA rises, due to which the bank failure had happened. All these banks made way to failure, as all of them had made big lending to the biggest corporate sector whose credit worthiness was very poor, and these corporate were unable to pay the loan back, and they were declaring insolvent to themselves. We can say that banks are falling from one crisis to another, and there is a need to bring governance reform so that it can lead to transparency and accountability. Banks need to create a balance between corporate loan and retail loans. I hope you have understood this topic. For more such topics, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.